Good morning student, I have brought new video for you. In this video we shall try to understand about the Windows 7 and its main feature. So student, let us start our first topic, Windows 7. So student, in this chapter we shall try to know about the Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system that acts as interface between the user and computer. Windows was developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company, founded by Bill Gates. The first version of Windows operating system was Windows 95 children. As the time passed, some other versions of Windows are launched like Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and etc. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. So Windows 7 become very popular because of its user-friendly environment, noticeable speed improvement, and its modest system requirement. Children, Windows 7 operating system has become very popular because of the following features. So first is Windows is very fast. Windows 7 is very faster, more reliable and secure, and it is very easy to use and learn. Student, second point is that searching, you can quickly search for more things in more places in your computer. Third point is that jump list in Windows 7 take you right to the document, picture, song or website that you use every day. Next thing is Windows 7 taskbar. So the taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application oriented. We can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. After that, arrow pick feature. Children's, these features allow you to pick at item on your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. Next is Windows supporting multitasking. So Windows 7 is a multitasking that help you to run the different program at the same time. For example, we can type the letters in MS Word application, and the same time we can also enjoy the music also using the Windows Media Player. Jump list is also new features in Windows 7 that take you right to the document, pictures, songs or website you use every day. So this These all features make the Windows 7 very popular and powerful operating system. So student, when you switch on your computer, after few seconds the main screen of the computer appear on your monitor. This is first screen of the Windows is known as desktop. It contains some graphical symbols known as icon. So student, now we shall discuss about the different components or element of this screen. First is the start button. This button is located on the leftmost corner of the screen. When we click on the start button, a menu displaying the major option appears. This option provides access to the main programs on a computer. After that, second main point is computer icon display on the desktop, and this folder give you a view of available drive and their content stored on the computer system. Double clicking on a drive icon will display the folder content in that drive, children. Next is shortcut icon, students. A shortcut icon is an icon that give a quick access to the related document, applications or folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. After that, next one, network, student. These icons help you to access the shared files or devices on different computer in a network environment. After that, next one, recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that stores the deleted files and folders. Recycle bin is just like your dustbin in which you throw your wastage paper. So student, once the files or folder is deleted, we can take back the deleted files and restore them to their original location from the recycle bin. If you delete your files and folder from the recycle bin, so the files and folder will be deleted permanently from the